The video documents a severe workplace incident inside a warehouse or storage area where a large quantity of bagged material, appearing to be heavy products like cement or aggregate, was stacked in a tall pile. Alarmingly, the heavy stack lost its structural integrity and abruptly experienced a complete collapse. A worker operating in the immediate vicinity was overwhelmed and pinned by the massive, shifting weight of the material. Strict adherence to safe stacking and storage protocols is mandatory. This includes respecting designated height limits, utilizing interlocking stacking patterns, and employing certified shelving or pallet racking systems to ensure stability. Working near or beneath any visibly unstable stack of heavy materials is strictly prohibited. Load stability is the absolute requirement to prevent sudden product collapses that pose a severe crush and impact hazard. The video, a critical stability failure during the process of loading a heavy container truck onto a lowboy or transport trailer. While the truck was actively driven up the transfer ramp, the vehicle's combination of high center of gravity and the steep or possibly uneven angle of ascent caused an immediate and dramatic loss of stability. The container truck quickly began to list severely, lost its balance, and instantly tipped over onto its side as it reached the top of the trailer bed. Loading high-profile or heavy vehicles onto transport trailers demands meticulous planning and certified procedures. It is mandatory to ensure the loading area is level, the ramps are securely fastened and rated for the load's weight, and the vehicle is driven at a slow, steady pace without sudden steering corrections. Failure to control the center of gravity and maintain stability during loading operations leads directly to catastrophic tipping accidents. The video captures a terrifying moment when a large truck unexpectedly lost control and veered directly toward a residential area located roadside. The heavy vehicle collided with and severely damaged the front section of a house, causing significant destruction. Notably, a woman who was present with a child quickly recognized the imminent danger and instantly pulled the child away from the impact zone mere seconds before the collision occurred. A high level of vigilance must be maintained even in seemingly secure or stable environments. Mastering the skill of observing your surroundings and maintaining continuous situational awareness is essential for enabling rapid emergency response when confronting sudden, uncontrollable dangers like out-of-control vehicle accidents. Quick thinking and immediate action can drastically alter the outcome of an unpredictable event. The video captures a terrifying moment when a large truck unexpectedly lost control and veered directly toward a residential area located roadside. The heavy vehicle collided with and severely damaged the front section of a house, causing significant destruction. Notably, a woman who was present with a child quickly recognized the imminent danger and instantly pulled the child away from the impact zone mere seconds before the collision occurred. A high level of vigilance must be maintained even in seemingly secure or stable environments. Mastering the skill of observing your surroundings and maintaining continuous situational awareness is essential for enabling rapid emergency response when confronting sudden, uncontrollable dangers like out-of-control vehicle accidents. Quick thinking and immediate action can drastically alter the outcome of an unpredictable event. The video documents a severe operational safety failure where a worker attempted to use a standard forklift, an apparatus primarily designed for lifting palletized goods, to load an automobile onto a transport truck bed. Alarming footage shows that as the car was lifted and maneuvered, the unbalanced load and excessive height reach caused the forklift to rapidly lose its center of gravity and overall stability. The result was the forklift losing its balance, causing the automobile to tumble to the ground and leading to a significant loss of equipment control. It is strictly forbidden to use lifting equipment, such as a forklift, for purposes or loads for which it is not specifically designed or certified. Lifting unbalanced loads or exceeding the safe operating capacity limits is non-negotiable. Only specialized lifting machinery and documented, safe procedures must be used to ensure the stability and security of both the equipment and the material being handled. The video documents a severe workplace incident during the transport or staging of enormous, heavy glass panels in an industrial setting. The footage shows workers attempting to maneuver dozens of these large, heavy sheets using a hand dolly or cart, rather than certified mechanical lifting equipment like a specialized forklift or crane. Critically, during this manual movement, the vertically stored panels abruptly lost stability, resulting in a sudden, forceful collapse forward. The entire mass of heavy glass then crashed down onto a worker who was positioned directly in the path of the falling load. Manual movement of large, heavy, and inherently unstable materials like massive glass sheets is strictly prohibited. Certified mechanical handling equipment, such as A-frame carts and secure lifting devices, must be used exclusively. Workers must never enter the fall path or crush zone of vertically stored or transported materials. Adherence to established load handling protocols is essential to prevent catastrophic collapses involving sharp and extremely heavy objects. The video documents an extremely risky maneuver where a motorcycle rider attempted to drive across a road or low-lying bridge section that was heavily flooded with swift-moving water. Alarmingly, due to the sheer force of the flood current and the loss of tire traction, the motorcycle was violently pushed by the water, leading to a loss of control and nearly complete washout. The operator had to struggle intensely to maintain balance and desperately escape the dangerous current. It is absolutely forbidden to attempt driving or walking through flooded areas, especially where water is moving rapidly. Floodwater, even at relatively shallow depths, generates immense sweeping force that can easily destabilize vehicles and sweep individuals away. Always seek safer alternative routes or wait for the water level to recede to ensure absolute safety when navigating flood-affected regions. The video illustrates a serious workplace safety lapse involving a worker operating or inspecting a piece of mobile or automated machinery. The footage shows that while the worker's attention was momentarily diverted from the immediate area, the mechanical assembly unexpectedly activated or reversed its movement, resulting in a forceful collision with the individual. Workers must maintain continuous situational awareness and line of sight and never place themselves within the operational path of moving equipment. Before any close-range work or inspection, lockout, tagout, LOTO procedures must be implemented to fully de-energize and secure all machinery, preventing unexpected startup or motion. Never turn your back on unsecured, dynamic equipment capable of moving on its own. The surveillance footage captures a moment when a scooter rider, while traveling along a road adjacent to a canal or ditch, dramatically loses control and drives directly over the edge into the water. The incident was clearly the result of severe driver inattention or distraction. The vehicle veered off the safe path and tumbled into the canal below, serving as a stark illustration of the dangers of operating any vehicle without focus. Operators must maintain absolute concentration on the road ahead at all times. All forms of distraction are strictly prohibited while driving, especially on narrow roads or near drop-offs. Continuous vigilance is the only way to prevent sudden, avoidable accidents. The surveillance video shows a high-risk situation where a cyclist attempted to cross a busy, wet road without fully checking for traffic. An oncoming truck, traveling at a decent speed, suddenly spotted the cyclist. The truck driver performed a rapid, defensive steering maneuver toward the shoulder to avoid impact. Thanks to the truck driver's quick reaction time, a severe collision was successfully prevented, ensuring the cyclist's safety. Cyclists and pedestrians must always look both ways carefully before crossing, especially in poor visibility conditions like rain. Truck drivers must maintain vigilance to anticipate and react to sudden hazards. Situational awareness and quick reflexes are crucial life-saving tools.